Hello, African fashion lovers. I'm so glad to be back on another entertaining episode on African fashion related on our YouTube channel at Lisa House of Fashion. Thank you all for joining me on this beautiful and wonderful episode. Trust you're all good and hope you're all staying safe. And today, I'm bringing you another beautiful Ankara styles that are good for African ladies that want to look stunning in any event that they would love to attend. And all these beautiful Ankara styles are for different designers around the world. So if you're joining for the first time, you are at the right place to be. Why don't you just click on the subscribe button, because on this YouTube channel we bring to you back-to-back latest updates on African fashion that are trending and latest, which are good for you. And also we train on how to cut and sew beautiful and elegant styles, and you can sit back, scroll through our YouTube channel to see some of the tutorials that we've done on how to cut and sew. Kindly hit the subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that whenever we drop new video, you'll be the first to get the updates. And for those that have already subscribed to our YouTube channel, I want to use this time out to appreciate you all for always tuning in to watch beautiful and amazing style. Sit back and enjoy lovely Ankara styles to the end. Which of these beautiful Ankara styles will you love to try? Hope they have all brightened up your day. Kindly hit the subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that whenever we drop new video, you'll be the first to get the update. Kindly give this video a thumbs up and also share so that other people can see beautiful and elegant African Ankara styles. And for those that have already subscribed to our YouTube channel, I want to use this time out to appreciate you all for always tuning in on this House of Fashion, and hope you will all join me in our next episode. Have a beautiful and lovely time. Catch you later in our next episode. Bye for now.